An interactive whiteboard is a modern tool that combines a traditional whiteboard with computer technology. It is a large touchscreen display used for teaching, presenting, and collaborating. These whiteboards allow users to interact in different ways. Some use infrared sensors to detect touch, while others use electromagnetic fields. Users can write, draw, and erase on the screen just like a regular whiteboard. Interactive whiteboards have many advantages over traditional ones. They can show various content, including text, images, and videos, making them more versatile and engaging. These boards are regularly updated with new features and will likely integrate more with technologies like virtual reality and artificial intelligence in the future. Interactive whiteboards are valuable tools for educators and presenters, offering a flexible way to share information and ideas.